Let us solve this problem, which involve by using a switch. The question says, write a Java program that accepts a number followed by one space. So we have a number followed by one. So this is similar to the problem we solved before that converts mile and kilometer and a letter. But here we have a number and letter. If the letter following the number is F, small letter F, or capital letter F, the program is to treat the number as temperature in Fahrenheit. Convert the number to the equivalent Celsius. So we have two temperatures, Fahrenheit and Celsius, and print the result. If the letter following the number is C or C capital, the program is to treat the number entered as a temperature in degrees Celsius, convert the number to Fahrenheit, and print the result. If the letter is neither of these, then the program print a message, invalid message, and terminate, go out from the program. So note here it's giving you the relationship between centigrade and Fahrenheit. It says centigrade Celsius is equal to 5/9 Fahrenheit minus 32. So what is the input? The input is a number followed by a character. Let's go to JGrasp and write the program. Here we are in JGrasp. So I have already prepared the program. So we need two variables. One will be a number. Okay, we will call it number. And the second one will be char. We will call it unit, like what we have done before, either Fahrenheit or centigrade. We will ask the user, okay, system.out.println. We will ask the user enter a number followed by, let us put C, okay, or C for, let's say F for Fahrenheit, or S for Celsius. Celsius, C, Celsius. And Fahrenheit. This is the spelling for Fahrenheit. Okay, capital letter F. Okay, so we will read it into a number, and let's call it temperature. Okay, temperature. And we will read it into temperature. So this is the temperature, and it is better we say enter a temperature followed by F for Fahrenheit, or C, Celsius. Okay. N dot next double, and we will have unit. Remember, unit, we cannot read it as next char, so we will read it as next, and then we will say char at 0 to read the first character. So here we can use if else, but since we have one variable, okay, which is unit, and we have many constants, we have C and F, small letter, capital letter, then we can use a switch. So we write a switch, and we write unit between a bracket, round the brackets, and we open round braces. And here we put the cases. Now for cases, we will have one case for capital letter F, and we will have one case for small letter f. If this happens, then we need to convert the temperature from Fahrenheit to centigrade. So we need to define another variable Okay, and I will call it converted temp or temperature. We will copy it maybe because we will use it many times. So the converted temperature is equal to, if you remember, 5/9, but you have to put 0.0, otherwise we will have 0, multiplied by temperature minus 32, and we need to print the temperature system out dot println, and we will say the temperature in Celsius is, and we put the converted temperature, and don't forget we need to write a break to separate the cases. Now for the other case, if it is capital letter C, if it is small letter c, then we will repeat the same statements here, but the equation, so the temperature in Fahrenheit is, and we print the converted temperature, but the equation should not be this equation. So let me just write it up here for our comments area. If you remember, we said that centigrade is equal to 5/9 multiplied by the temperature in Fahrenheit minus 32. Now, if you want to find the value of F in terms of C, so here we will have F is equal to, so you need to divide C by 5/9, so it will be 9/5 multiplied by C, add 32 to it. So you will take, first of all, you need to divide C by 5/9, so it looks like you are multiplying by 9/5, and then minus 32, take it to the other side, it will be plus. So this is the conversion from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So we need to implement this equation. So we multiply the temperature. First, we put 9/5. We multiply the temperature, remove brackets, and then you add 32. So you should not put brackets here, you should put brackets, but here you don't need to put brackets. Now default, which is the last option, and this is going to be used for invalid. And we will print system.out.println. Then we say invalid temperature unit. And there is no need for exit because there is nothing will happen after a switch. We are printing inside cases. So if there is invalid, it will automatically go to the output screen, to the end of the program. So we will run the program now and see the results. We have an error. It says case. Probably we are forgetting something. Where is the problem? It says here switch. Oh, the spelling for switch. It should be switch. And see, the color has changed. Now run it again. Again, we have an error. It says unit, and unit is defined as char. Yes, there is an extra T, so it should be char at. Run it again. Now it is running. Enter a temperature followed by F for Fahrenheit or C for Celsius, and we will say 3.4, and we will write F capital letter, and it is converting, and run it again. Put centigrade, Celsius, sorry, 3.4 Celsius, and it is given the temperature in Fahrenheit, and we will give it invalid now. So we will give, let's say, 3.4, and then we will have Kelvin, which is K, and now it is invalid temperature unit, and we are done. And the program is free of errors and running fine.